making moi moi today. So this is the process. First of all, I'm gonna soak my beans. Then I'll leave it for some minutes. Then after that, we'll continue the process. So I finished working. I'll be seasoning the beans. So after some hours, some minutes, we'll be washing the beans now. So it's my children doing the cooking today. They're in charge. They're in charge of the kitchen. They will have this then. This is a person you been cook. Where had the meal? So washing the beans, transferring it here, we'll add our onion, pepper and shambo. Then we'll take it to engine station. So this we are adding shambo on it. After adding shambo, put onion. And after the onion, we take it to the engine station. Okay. At this point, we're adding onion. As you can see, so we're cutting the onion. Yeah. So my children is in charge today. Look at the small guy here. So cutting the onion. So as you can see, so it's ready. Now we are going to take it to engine station. I don't have grinder. I should have grinder. I will have do it myself. So I have to take it to engine station. They will grind it for me. Then after that, we continue the process. So guys, they have ground the. This is what you get after we grind the beans. Yeah. So you see, I'm going to be mixing it now. So I'm going to be adding pepper. Yeah. So adding the pepper on it. Next is my crayfish. I'll pan my crayfish first. So next is our Maggi. So I'm going to be putting the Maggi here. So I'm gonna use to break the Maggi with it. So that is the essence of pounding. I want to pound the Maggi. So break them into pieces. So add water. Pour it. Next, I'll add my spring onion. I'm using spring onion for this. So I wash my spring onion. I added it for flavor. next, adding oil. So first of all, I'm going to cook my oil a little, fry it a little before I fry it. I'm still going to be adding water. So I need to fry my oil a little. Remember, I'm not adding salt, so I'm going to be adding my salt. If you stay small, you come back. So I'll add onion. So next, to carry it, you can see it's hot already. So I'll be putting it in my lele. So I'm pouring it directly here. So we turn it. Check the cover. Yeah. Check that cover. Keep it. So here's the pot. We're gonna be using this pot. And before I start, so I have to do this. Let that down. In case by any chance, if the water dry, so the moi will not burst. I'm using leather. I'm not using container. So if there is by chance the water dry, I didn't notice it in time, so it will not marinate. You understand? So add my water and it. Then we'll start stirring. So we'll start stirring it. I'm supposed to look for something smaller first of all. So here is my extra oil. You get, and you do like this. Yeah. So we are using oil, not we are using red oil, not groundnut oil. So it's like we're going to be making this shape. Yeah. Put. Hey, Daddy. See that little one? How? See. It's small. So my fire has catch. I think I need to put this on the fire first. Oh yes. We got now me ongwa here, ma'am, and me ongwa what? Me ongwa. Then allow it to cook. Next how many minutes? I'm gonna bring it down. It is almost.
Daddy only. Daddy do for daddy 5.
How about 5?
4, 3, 4, 2. Then me 3. I me then baby. 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 Don't grab it too now. I think I will play fast. But you still sleeping. I like the thing to burn your mouth. So sorry. Yeah, how should we ship it? Come bring up and gum it for him. Then you say you don't want to eat. Come on, just say you don't want to eat it.
My friend, eat your food. Choice.
Eat it for me again, I'll slap you.